beginnings of microwave peanut brittle. 1 3/4 cups of peanuts, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of butter, and a spoon. Grease up a cookie sheet. We use butter. You could use any kind of oil. And I'll continue on when I get everything mixed up. Combine the corn syrup and the sugar, mix it well, and get it ready for the microwave. Cook in the microwave for 3 minutes. It depends on how powerful your microwave is. This is a 1200 watt one. I tried to cook it for 4 minutes, but it burnt it. So 3 minutes on high. After it's cooked for 3 minutes, add the peanuts, stir in. We use salted peanuts in ours, blanched and salted. Stir them together and cook them for another 3 minutes. Remember, this is red hot. So now that we've got the peanuts, we added the peanuts, we cooked over 3 minutes. The sugars, corn syrup. We added the peanuts, cooked for another 2 minutes. Add vanilla extract and the butter. Mix that up and cook it again for another. Hey, here we go. Everything's cooked. Now, I'm going to add the baking soda. It's going to foam up, turn right white, but I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time, so I'll give you a picture after it's done. And then we have to pour it out. You have to be very quick. The finished product. Smells good, looks good. Got to let it cool off and then break it into small pieces. Well, here's the finished product. Settled down quite nicely. Trying to pick it up. I'll try to break it for my ball. Dad's gonna love this, and everybody else that comes in contact with it. Anyway, Brittle. Look at that. Let it cool a little more. Took a bunch of it to my car. Nice stuff. Pretty easy to make. As long as you got a microwave. Pretty good deal.